Hello everyone. My name is Suman Pawar, PGT Economics, and today I am speaking about National Statistics Day. National Statistics Day is celebrated on 29 June on birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahabonanis. The main aim to marking this day to make statistics popular in an individual daily life. Prashanta Chandra Mahabolonis was an Indian scientist and statistician from West Bengal. He was born on 29th June 1893 and died on 28 June 1972. He is best remembered for Mahabolonis distance, a statistical measure. He was also one of the members of First Planning Commission of Free India. He also considered the father of modern scientists in India. He introduced innovative techniques for conducting large-scale sample surveys and calculate acreages and crop yield by using method of random sampling. He devised a statistical method called factorial graphical analysis, which could be used to compare the socio-economic condition of different groups of the people. He also applied statistics to economic planning for flood control. Statistics for economics. A number of economic problems like unequal distribution of income and wealth, poverty, unemployment, etc. can easily be understood with the help of statistical tools. Statistics and economic planning. Economic planning is the best use of national resources, both human and natural. Every phase in planning, drawing a plan, execution, and review is based on statistics. Statistics in business. Statistics is immense importance for the business and management. Decisions related to marketing, productions, finance, investment are made on the basis of data provided by the statistics. Statistics in government. Before formulating a policy, the government must consider certain statistics like the taxes, wealth, trade, employment, etc., so that there is no obstacle for the promotion of economic development. Proceeding further, you shall see the poster, slogan, and the speeches prepared by the students. Thank you, everyone, for your patience, listening. Hope you have learned something new today.
आज राष्ट्रीय सांख्यिकी दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है संख्या। अपने गुणत्व से हरी, भाजक गुणों से लदी फदी, तमाम यौगिक सम विषम संख्याएं कर रही होती दूसरी संख्याओं से प्रेम, उनकी चुहलबाजियाँ मशहूर किस्से की तरह दोहराती है। खुद को जैसे 32 लहरा रहा होता है, 2, 4, 8, 16 से चले अपने प्रेमिल किस्से। जैसे 36 में शामिल 3 और 6 के सारे झगड़े नहीं कर पाते उन्हें अलग। 36 के आंकड़े का मुश्किल मुहावरा भी 3 और 6 के मशहूर चुंबन से उपजता 63, जहाँ 7 किसी डरे जानवर की तरह आता है, वही है। धन्यवाद।
Today we are celebrating National Statistic Day. The main aim of marking this day as National Statistic Day is to make statistics popular in individuals' daily life. The Government of India decided to celebrate this outstanding contribution made by world-renowned statistician called Prashanta Mahabonanis, whose invaluable contribution led to establishment of National Statistics statistical system, hence marked this day as his birth anniversary as National Statistic Day. He also led the Blueprint for Industrialization Development, that is India's largest second 5 years plan. He is the founder, especially the builder of Indian Statistical Institution.
I am presenting a speech on importance of statistics. Statistics is the study that deals with collection and analysis of data. It is mostly used to keep records, calculating probabilities, and provide knowledge. The importance of statistics can be understood by the phrase that statistics is a crucial part of our life. Statistics is used in economics for economic forecasting, formulation of policies, construction of economic theories and models, and understanding economic problems, etc.
Even at the present situation of the COVID, statistics help the experts to predict the trajectory of the pandemic, such as infectivity rate, mortality rate, and etc. Even in the agriculture field, statistics also helps a lot. In the agriculture field, statistics helps in making comparison what amount of crops are grown this year as compared to the previous year.
It is also important in medical field. Before any prescribe, scientists must show a statistically valid rate of effectiveness. Statistics are behind all the study of medical. Statistics is mostly used in research.
It helps to get concrete information about any problem. It helps for reliable and objective decision making. It presents facts in a precise and indefinite form. It facilitates comparison, measures of central tendency, and a measure of dispersion.
For teaching to healthcare professionals, statistics is an important component of the knowledge base for healthcare professionals. In this, argue that statistical knowledge for teaching should be considered an important component of their preparation as well. Healthcare professionals.
Today, I would like to tell you about some merits of statistics. Firstly, statistics helps to present bulk data in a precise and definite form. It helps in forecasting trends. It helps to compare data and draw conclusions. Statistical data provides a base for decision making and formulating policies. It gives better results than coefficient of range. So, we can say that statistics is easily understood. Thank you.
शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में सांख्यिकी का महत्व। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में भी सांख्यिकी का बहुत महत्व है। देश में शिक्षा की प्रगति का अनुमान, शिक्षा संबंधी आंकड़े, स्कूल कॉलेजों की संख्या तथा उनमें पढ़ने वाले विद्यार्थियों की संख्या के आधार पर ही लगाया जाता है। शिक्षा की सुधार संबंधी नीतियां भी आंकड़ों के आधार पर ही बनाई जाती हैं। शिक्षा की प्रणाली का मूल्यांकन भी आंकड़ों के आधार पर ही तय किया जाता है।
Statistics plays a vital role in understanding economic data, such as the relationship between quantity and price, supply and demand, economic output, GDP, and per capita income of nations, etc.
The National Statistics Day is being observed every year on 29 June to create public awareness among people about the importance of statistics in daily life and in the process of planning and development. In recognition of notable contributors made by late Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis in the fields of statistics.
National Statistics Day. On June 29, every year National Statistics Day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, a renowned and eminent statistician. The Government of India in 2007 decided to acknowledge the outstanding contribution made by Professor P.C. Mahalanobis.
The objective of this day is to create public awareness among the people, especially the younger generations, for drawing inspiration from Professor P.C. Mahalanobis about the role of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulation.
It is the responsibility of all us as an international community to continue to work to create more, better multilateralism that can effectively support your country for domestic agenda for growth. Excellence can provide you job, land, but your success depends on how you think, walk, talk. It has been rightly said, education provides you great employee in the market, but not employer. Thank you for watching this video.